Okay, so guys, I am facing a problem right now, which is that my headphones are connected to my PC and it's working pretty fine, guys. These headphones are fine. These headphones have no problem in it, but still I can't listen to anything, guys. If I go to this bar and click on the sound, as you guys can see, it will make some sound, right? But it's not making any kind of sound, guys. So it is the problem which I'm facing, and I'm gonna fix it in front of you guys so that you guys can also understand how you can fix that. So just right click on it, go to sound settings, and through that you'll see the output of the sound. Where will it go? So right now it's on LG HD, which is my monitor, guys. I don't want the output sound to go on my monitor. I want that to go on my headphones. So right now these are the speakers, guys. When I click on that, and now when I click on that, it's not working right now too, guys. As you guys can see, it's not working, but when I click on it, then I can see, yeah, I can listen to a sound, guys. So I think, guys, it's working right now. So what I did is pretty basic, guys. I just choose my default speakers, but if it is not working right now too, then go to more sound settings, then go to playback. As you guys can see, this is the playback. What you can do is right click on it, click on test. When you right click on it and click on test, you will listen the sound so that you know which device you are testing. Right now when I test this, I don't listen to anything on my headphones, so this is not my headphones. When I go to test this, yeah, I can listen to that, and when I test this, I can't listen to anything. So this is my mic, this is my monitor, and this is the main speakers which I am gonna listen to. So I right click on it, test. Yeah, it's working right now. So this is my default device. You can just click on OK, and right now the speakers are selected. So yeah, guys, this is the pretty basic setup you need to do if you are facing any kind of problem with your sound output, guys. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you're still facing the problem, then feel free to comment down below. I'll try to fix it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I'll see you guys on my next video.